Hi guys, my name is Natalie. I live in Russia and I live in a very small town which is surrounded by beautiful countryside. Today I went out for a short walk just to make videos for you. And here in Russia we have all kinds of seasons and all kinds of weather, from very cold to quite warm, quite hot I should say. So now it's spring, it's March, it's the middle of the March now, but in fact it is still winter. We have a lot of snow and it's quite cold, but it's already not as cold as in winter, so it smells like spring already. And we see the sun more often now. During this winter wasn't very sunny, in fact, and now it's becoming more sunny, and it's cool. It's such a fun. Now it's already evening. I finished my work today and had a little rest. And now I'm walking along the river. I live not far from this river. It is very picturesque here. Okay, I'll show you more. So much snow left from the winter. It's melting now, but still we have a lot of it. The trees and the bushes are still bare, without leaves. leaves will become to appear, I think, at the end of April. And on the opposite side of the river, we have a forest, and you can see the birch trees in front of the forest. They have no leaves now, and behind them we have mostly pine trees and fir trees. And they are always green, winter and summer. It's a small bridge which can't be seen now under the snow. And it's a bridge over this small river which flows into the bigger one. So this is the place where a small river, its name is Kytьма, and the name of the bigger river is Mologa. So here Kytьма flows into Mologa. They cleaned the road with a tractor from the snow. It's a nice small pine tree, the evergreen tree. Several pine trees here. I'll try to show them a little bit closer, but it's so much snow, I can't get closer to them, so I'm sorry. Okay, I'll try to come up to this one, which grows near the road. And okay, you can see the needles. Nice. It's quite a large meadow here, and in summer I collect the leaves of a herb here, from which the Russians like to make very tasty tea. This tea is very good. It is called Russian tea, and I hope I will be able to show you the process, but of course in summer, because now everything is under the snow. Oh yes, a lot of different kinds of trees which will have beautiful leaves in summer. And this is a very old one. It's broken. And those trees are also very, very old. Maybe 150 years or even more. Very beautiful. I really like to walk alone in solitude when no one is around. It's so calming, and it makes me happy. It's a little bit cold and quite windy near the river, so I think maybe I'll go to the forest and show you the forest a little bit. It's also not far from here, but it's also getting darker, and I'm not sure that I will be able to take a good video of it. It's a very small, quiet street in the town, and it's quite dark already. I can see the first star in the sky, and you can see the forest at the end of the street. Okay, let's have a look. Well, this is the forest, and I like to walk there. But it's quite dark already. I think I'll show it to you another time. People made those slopes from snow for tubing or tobogganing for children. Children have fun in winter, right in the woods. It's very calm here, only the dogs are barking. The snow is melting during the daytime and makes the road dirty. This is the unpleasant thing about the early spring, but it's nice. It's nice because we are awaiting the warmth, the sun, and the summertime. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching me, and see you next time. Bye!